Morning, everyone. I am Marcus Su. So let's start the webinar topic today, improving part roundness, flatness, and shrinkage with simulation. So for the contents today, first we will talk about something, what is warpage, and then in the comprehensive analysis platform Studio, how we measure the roundness, flatness, and also the shrinkage. And the two success story, one from the Taiwan Zhuxin technology. It's about some flatness and linear shrinkage evaluation. And the other one from Lion technology for the roundness evaluation. So basically we can say warpage is the differential distortion caused by uneven stress. And the cause of the uneven stress, they are from first the temperature difference, and the second from the packing effect, and the others some material with the fiber reinforce, and it will also affect by the orientation effect. So here is something show you, for example, the non-uniform shrinkage from different cooling. So for example, if you have a plate and on the core side more low temperature, and on the other side is more high temperature, and this will result the part warpage. And the other one is because some heat trap in some corner area, and which is not usually is not easy to cool down from the cooling channel system. This will also result in the part warpage. So for example, this is a box geometry. We can see if the temperature inside and outside, they are the same. So it's there's almost no warpage. But if inside the core side is higher temperature, it will shrink inward in the box inside. And the other way, if the outer is more high temperature, so you can see this slightly deformation on these two wall.